Municipality of Culase, in partnership with Vicente Javier Memorial Community College Community Center. This certificate of completion is hereby awarded to for her active participation in the basic computer literacy training, a component of the S5K program Karunungan of the Municipality of Culase, Antique, and for completing the course in Introduction to Computers and the operating systems of all Windows, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint applications. Given this 14th day of August 2013 at Vicente Javier Memorial Community College, signed Mrs. Helen Pechon, College Administrator, CEC Manager. Signed, Frederick D.C. Amores, Visayas Island Group Head, National Computer Center Field Operations Office. And signed by Honorable Joel A. Lamugang, Municipal Mayor, CEC Consultant, Culase Antique. And certificate of completion is hereby awarded to Mona Lisa Balienas. The same certificate of completion on M. Bayon. Congratulations. Another certificate is Tolioso. The same certificate is awarded to Yvette Gallo. The same certificate of completion is hereby awarded to Loreza P. Ignacio. The same certificate is hereby awarded to Marik. And then the same certificate is hereby awarded to Ryan Librando. Also to Lenro Machas. Likewise, the same certificate to Hannah Blaze Artalada. Certificate to Mario A. Rafael. The same certificate to Nimrod. Also to Marites Rizardo. Okay, congratulations.